discovering a beautiful hidden island and swimming in the rough sea. We go coasteering in Clearwater Bay Country Park, and this is Drone and Fern. So welcome to the final episode of the Water Adventure series. We started the series with a coasteering adventure, and today
we're going to finish with a coasteering adventure. I'm so sad this is the last of these water adventures. It's been a really fun summer, but of course we've got lots more planned. Today, probably about 5 to 7k, not quite sure. So a good deal of hiking and climbing and swimming. We're going to start off with a walk, and we're going to get down into Clearwater Bay.
Let's go. Summer has come and the weather is getting hotter, so we're taking a break from the mountainous trails and finding activities closer to the water. With almost 500 kilometers of coastline and plenty of gushing streams and waterfalls, Hong Kong has lots of energetic things to do that will keep you outdoors without overheating. In this series, we'll take on 10 water adventures that can all easily be done in one day. In this episode, we go visit a hidden deserted island of Hong Kong, Green 8 Island, and coasteer in the beautiful Clearwater Bay Country Park.
I've got to say, I didn't do my research properly and hadn't realised, or George, that this hike starts off with a hill climb, and quite a significant hill climb, to the top of this peak where we're going to get fantastic views all the way out around the bay. Well worth the climb, but as if you're like us and you're not prepared for it, it comes as a bit of a shock at the beginning of the hike.
Starting in Dai Ao Mun, the Long Ha Wan Country Trail takes you up around 300 meters to a great lookout over Cyclone Bay and the Geo Park beyond. The path that comes off the main trail down to Green 8 Island is narrow and steep, at times needing ropes to scale the slippery slope. After a 3-kilometer hike, we finally reach the start of our coasteer, a pebbly beach that's a short swim from Green 8 Island. The island gets the name from its shape, and the yacht formed by a small group of trees. Clear water and blue sky, it would be easy to spend your entire day here, swimming, snorkeling, or even camping. After a short break and a swim to cool down, we continue our journey and set off along the rocky shores of Long Ha Wan.
Okay, DJ. See you at that side. Yeah. Okay. No problem.
Coasteering is a sport that combines climbing and swimming. DJ chose to swim, and I chose to scramble over. However, the cliffs are very steep, and with no other option, I have to jump back into the sea and swim over.
My legs felt like jelly, I almost fall off over there, and then I jumped down and tried to swim. It's so wavy, I couldn't grab any of these rocks, and I was like, whoo, whoo, and I almost lose my life.
Did I save your life again?
Huh?
Did I save your life again?
No, you did nothing, you just stay over there and watch.
I got good shots though.
The coasteer from Green 8 Island to Taiwan Town should take about 3 to 4 hours if you're prepared to swim the bays. The sea can get rough once you leave the relative shelter of Long Ha Wan, so best to check the weather before you go and try to time it for low tide to make the scramble easier. There are great rock formations the whole way and some refreshing natural pools to take a dip in if you need a break. For us, however, after an intensive start under the hot sun, I started to feel a bit dizzy.
So just to give you a quick update on where we are at the moment, we've probably done about 1/3 of the coasteer, but one of us is having a little bit of trouble, so we've decided we're going to call it a day here. As you can see, poor George is suffering a little bit. It's a very hot day today, so to be safe we're coming out, and as you can see right up there, somebody on the horizon, we're going to go up this path. We've got to climb a hill first to get out. It's going to be a bit of a climb, and then we're back to safety. Got to get this guy back. How you feeling, George?
I can't breathe.
After a steep climb up, we reached the Long Ha Wan Country Trail.
How'd you feel? Because that's the first smile I've seen for a long time.
Oh, a real path. I'm coming home.
We decided to go in the opposite direction to where we came in from, arriving about an hour later at the Clearwater Bay Equestrian Center. From there, we called a taxi to take us back to Han Hao MTR station. So that's the end of the whole water adventure series. This is also the toughest episode, I would say.
It's been a lot tougher than we planned. We didn't do the route that we expected to. We've done 9.4 kilometers. Not as much coasteering as we'd hoped to. A lot of hiking, a little bit of bushwhacking, but absolutely stunning. We have not been to Clearwater Bay Park before. It's the first time on Drone and Phone, and something that we should have done because it is absolutely beautiful.
Yeah, the first really stunning. And also, don't forget to like our Facebook page and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And don't forget to check out droneandphone.com.
My name's DJ Clark.
And I'm George.
This
is Drone and Phone.